Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to take our lesson, the fish tail, and some we already taken. First topic we already taken in the last class, isn't it? That is haiku. What is haiku, children? Did you forget that, children? What is haiku? Haiku means that is a 3-line poem. Haiku, that is 3-line poem about 3-line poem about nature. That is haiku, that we already told. Haiku means that is a 3-line poem about the nature. That is a haiku, and they already given in the textbook. 2 haikus are already given. What are they? One is that deep under the sea. Deep under the sea, see the lovely colored fish swimming peacefully. That is one haiku. That is deep under the sea, see the lovely colored fish swimming peacefully. If we look into the sea, deeply look into the sea, we can see the lovely colored fish. They are swimming peacefully. That is the poem. That is a 3-line poem. So this one is a haiku. That haiku is a Japanese word, and that is a 3-line poem. Another 3-line poem already given there. The lake calm, smooth, still. A fish jumps and returns, ripples shake the lake. That also about the lake. The lake is calm and smooth. Still a fish jumps up and jumps up and returns, ripples shake the lake. That lake is shakes by making waves. Ripples means waves. That is also another haiku, 3-line poem. And here saying what are the shapes comes to your mind when you are thinking about a fish, or when you are going to draw a fish. What are the shapes comes in your mind? That shapes means we can take square, then circle, triangle, oval shape. These are the shapes when we are thinking about the fish comes in our mind, isn't it? Then if we take square and triangle, square, and if we take a triangle, and if we give small circle also, then we can draw a fish like this. We can draw a fish like this. If we take one square triangle and circle, then we will get a shape of the fish. And here telling this fish, the designs of this fish, you can see designs of some type of fish that you can see in your paintings, your dresses, and in the mats also you can see some type of fishes, that is a paintings. And here saying mean means a fish. That is mean means a fish. And Meenakshi, that is a name of a girl, and her eyes looks like a fish. And can you think someone who has such eyes? Draw a face with fish eyes. They are telling to draw a fish. Draw a face, not fish. Draw a face with eyes should be like fish. Draw a face, that I will give you a homework. Draw a face with draw a face. That is a homework, children. Draw a face with fish eyes. Fish and eyes കണ്ണുകളോട് കൂടിയ a fish you have to draw. A face you have to draw with fish eyes. Okay. And next one is we have to tell about whale shark. Next one is whale shark. Haiku already explained in the last classes. Already explained, and I also explained. Then next one is the whale shark. Second topic is whale shark. What is whale shark? What is whale shark? Whale shark, it is biggest fish. Whale shark is the biggest fish. And whale, you already heard about that whale also, blue whale, and blue whale and whale, that is a type of blue whale is a type of whale, another whale, and whale and this whale shark, that is different. Whales means that is a mammal. Whales is a mammal and whale shark is a fish. Whale shark is a fish. Whale shark, that is a fish. But whale shark is a fish and that is a biggest fish. It is biggest fish. It is the biggest fish. Whale shark is the biggest fish. It is one type of, it is the biggest fish in the world. This whale shark is the biggest fish in the world, and whale is different from whale shark because this whale shark is, that is a fish that lay eggs. The whale shark, that is a fish that lay eggs, but whale, that is a mammal. Whale is a mammal and that give birth to babies. Whale is a mammal and that give birth to babies, but whale shark is a fish. That is a fish that lay eggs, but whale, that is a mammal and that give birth to babies. And another one is that that breathe in, this whale shark is breathe in water, that take air from the water, and this whale is breathing in the air like us, that breathe in the air through the noses. So that is also a different thing because the whale shark is a fish that is biggest fish in the world and that lay eggs and that breathe from the or in the water. But whales, whale, that is mammal. Whale is a, it is a mammal. It is a mammal. It breathes in air. It breathes in air and it give birth to babies. It give birth to babies. But whale shark is a fish. It is the biggest fish and it breathes in water. It breathes in water and it lay eggs. This whale lay eggs. That is the differences of this whale shark and whale. Whale shark is a fish and it is the biggest fish. It lay eggs and it breathes in water. It breathes in water. Take breathe in from the water. And whale, that is a mammal and it breathes in the air like us through the noses, and the fish has no noses. Then it give birth. This whale is give birth to babies. That is the difference of this whale and whale shark. Whale is a mammal that give birth to babies and that breathe in the air through the noses. But whale shark, that is biggest fish that take breath in water and that lay eggs. Did you understand? That is the difference of that two, whale and whale shark. Whale is a mammal. Whale shark is a fish. Whale breathing air through noses. But whale shark is breathe in the water. And whale give birth to babies. Whale shark lay eggs. That is the difference of this whale and whale shark. And here, one whale shark, if the smallest, here, next is, smallest fish is, question is, if the smallest fish is 1 centimeter, then can you imagine what is the length of the biggest animal? What is the length of the Biggest animal that you imagine. Biggest animal. The smallest fish is 1 centimeter. And if you can imagine biggest fish, what is the length of the biggest animal? Biggest fish, not animal, biggest fish. If that is, you can imagine if that is 18 centimeter. If that you can imagine if that 18 centimeter, then what is the length of biggest fish? The length of biggest fish is 18 centimeter. Then how many times longer? How long is the how many times longer is your bigger fish? How many times longer your biggest fish? Question is, if the smallest fish is 1 centimeter and biggest fish you imagine that is 18 centimeter. The question is, how many times longer your bigger fish? How many times longer your bigger fish? 18 times. The answer is because the smallest fish is 1 centimeter and biggest fish is 18 centimeter. Smallest is 1 centimeter, biggest is 18 centimeter. Then the question is, how many times? How many times longer your bigger fish? Then 18 times longer. Answer is 18 times longer. Longer is the biggest fish, or biggest fish is 18 times longer. Longer is the biggest fish. Okay. Then next one is here telling one whale shark is 18 meter. Listen here. The length of whale shark is, look here children, this one is the picture of whale shark. This one is the picture of whale shark, and here telling the one whale shark is as long as 18 meter. The length of whale shark, is 18 meter. The length of whale shark is 18 meter. Then we told the smallest fish is 1 centimeter. Smallest fish is 1 centimeter. Then how much centimeter this whale shark? Then how much? What is the whale? How much centimeter? The whale shark is. The length of whale shark is in centimeter. The length of whale shark in centimeter, or the length of whale shark is 18 meter and smallest fish is 1 centimeter. So the length of whale shark in centimeter, that is 1 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 18 meter is equal to 18 into 100, that is 1800 centimeter. 1800 centimeter. That meter convert into centimeter. Here the smallest fish is that is in 1 centimeter. So how much centimeter this biggest fish? Biggest fish is 18 meter. So if they convert into centimeter, that means 18 into 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 18 meter is equal to 18 into 100. Multiply 18 into 100, that is 1800 or 1800 centimeter. So we can study about the conversion of meter into centimeter. That you already learned in 4th standard. Once more you can remember that, children. Yes, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So look here children, 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. 5 into 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 5 meter is equal to 5 into 100, 500 centimeter. Then 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter. Then 12 meter is equal to 1200 centimeter. Likewise, 18 meter is equal to 1800 centimeter. Okay, did you understand? Yes. Then next, homework. Homework, children. Write it homework. One is you draw a face with the fish eyes. That is one homework that I already given. Face with the fish eyes. Draw a face with fish eyes. Second one, draw right from 1200 to 1400. Then next one, right, or convert meter into centimeter. Yes, 6 meter is equal to dash centimeter. 8 meter is equal to dash centimeter. Then 13 meter is equal to 12 meter is equal to 25 meter equal to, yes. Okay, this one is your homework. Okay, bye. You can stop it, children.